Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of WooCommerce. So let me take you to their website, which is woocommerce.com. For the ones who don't know about them, WooCommerce is a customizable e-commerce platform for WordPress, enabling businesses to create powerful online stores. The website provides extensions, themes, and built-in tools to manage products, payment, and shipping effortlessly. With WooCommerce, you can build, scale, and run your online business exactly the way you want. So what you're waiting for? Come to their website, explore all their amazing features, and if you want to start using them for yourself, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we are here to earn money from WooCommerce. Possible? Yes, of course. You simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? Well, no restrictions found for both the things. So regardless of your country as an affiliate and the country of your consumers, you would still be able to get commission if you bring sales to them. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called flagsoffers.com. Now, what does Flags Offers have to do with WooCommerce? Flags Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, in order for us to join the affiliate program of WooCommerce, we must join Flex Offers as an affiliate. Now, Flex Offers calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with them? Simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this section. Over here within Publisher and Affiliate, click on Sign Up. It will then take you through the registration process. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when creating an affiliate account with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use FlexSurface affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account with Flex Offers. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again. This time, hover over login, click on publisher login, authenticate using your username and password, rather email address and password, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there, not just WooCommerce, but we'll keep the focus of the video on WooCommerce affiliate program. And to find their affiliate program, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar, click on advertisers, click on advertiser search. It will take you to this page. Over here within advertiser search, advertiser program name, start typing WooCommerce, and over here you will get automatic incorporated. So it's a combination of WordPress, Pressable, WooCommerce, and other programs. So simply click on this one and then click on search. What it will do, it will try to find the affiliate program and then will show it how to you. So over here, you can see the payout description. The payout is between 4% to 80% of sales, depending on the transaction. And to have better understanding of this payout, you can click on the program terms. Over here, you will be able to see how much goes for what. So WordPress.com hosting all SKUs, you'll get 80%. For Jetpack, you'll get 40%. And for WooCommerce Market, you'll get 24%. So depending on what you are promoting, you will get anywhere between 4 to 80% of the commission. And all these products are of WordPress, including the WooCommerce as well. So depending on whatever you're promoting, you'll get the commission accordingly. And then to have the details about the terms and condition, you can click on show for terms and condition. And over here, you can read it carefully for your understanding so that you follow the instructions and you abide by the terms and conditions of WooCommerce, also the WordPress. Then you can close it. And let's say you read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, you can choose your traffic source from here, followed by click on apply with selected. When you do that, it will open up this overlay window once again. This time, click on yes, I agree to the terms and conditions above, and click on apply to program. When you do that, your application to the WooCommerce, WordPress, or the Flagship affiliate program team would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. As you can see, mine says restricted, so I must wait for them to review and provide the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. Once you have been approved, then you would be able to see them here. So let's say you waited for a couple of days to a couple of weeks and you got an email with the confirmation that you have been approved. In that case, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again. This time, click on advertiser search, and instead of searching for advertiser name automatic incorporated, you can search by application status as approved and click on search. So over here, you will be able to see all your approved brands, including WooCommerce, aka automatic incorporated. So once you have been approved, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use or create tracking link. And to create tracking link, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar once again. This time, click on links, and within links, click on deep link generator. It will take you to this section. Over here within advertiser search, you can search for the advertiser. Now, since we are still waiting for WooCommerce or Automatic Incorporated to review and approve us, so just for the demo purpose, I'm gonna take Adidas Australia. But in your case, once you've been approved, of course, you should be selecting Automatic Incorporated over here. Then select your traffic source. So since I'm not getting the traffic source of my YouTube channel, so I'm gonna go with other advertiser. Let's say Aweber. So I choose Aweber here, and the traffic source I choose is my YouTube channel. In your case as well, you can choose your traffic source accordingly. And within the landing page URL, you can put the URL you want to convert to a tracking link. So let's say I want to convert this to a tracking link. I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to paste it in here, and then I simply click on generate. Now, in my case, I got this error message. Deep link needs to match one of the following. The reason being, I'm trying to create a tracking link of WooCommerce using the advertiser Aweber. But in your case, when you'll try to create a tracking link for WooCommerce using Automatic Incorporated as an advertiser, you should be able to create the link, and then you can also shorten this link up if you want. So this is how you can create your tracking link for any web page of WooCommerce. And let's say you don't want to create tracking link, but rather you want to use existing one. So in that case, again, come to the side on the menu bar within links, click on link search. It will take you to this page. Over here within traffic source, select your traffic source that you want to create or get tracking links for. And then within advertiser search, you can search for automatic incorporated. But again, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with Aweber, and then within the content type, you will have an option of text link, banners, or widget. Let's say you want to get banner links of Automatic Incorporated, aka WooCommerce. You can select banners as content type and Automatic Incorporated as advertiser search, followed by click on search. When you do that, you would be able to see all the available banners, but as just for the demo purpose, I'm using Aweber. So let's say this is the banner link of WooCommerce. Simply click on view link, and over here within link, you would be able to see this link that you can take and share with your audience. And if you come here with a link, if you click on HTML, you would be able to see the HTML link code, which you can take and integrate it at the backend of your website. Then you also got the image link, so you can click on image, and you can also take the image URL and maybe use it the way you like. So these are some of the ways you can either create tracking link or get the available links for Automatic Incorporated or WooCommerce. All right, so you learn how to create or get your tracking links. The next question arises, where can you promote WooCommerce? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved, you can promote them maybe on a homepage or category page as you see fit for your audience. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about WooCommerce and put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. So this way, when the readers would read, they will click on the link, and if they become part of WooCommerce, you will get anywhere between 4 to 80% of the commission. Then comes the social media. So social media could work as the third way here, and it could be good as well because social media will allow you to create a number of content. You can create reels, videos, shorts, stories, or posts, and put the tracking link somewhere within the description or comment. It could work in your favor. Fourth way is business services website. Now, these kind of website could be great here because people come to this kind of website to learn about the business tools available out there. So maybe feature tools like WooCommerce somewhere on these kind of website of yours. So this way, when people would come to your website, they'll get to that specific section, and if they see WooCommerce feature over there, they might click on it and may end up becoming part of it. In return, you get commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote WooCommerce. The next question arises, where would you see your performance? All the sales you're bringing to them, you would be able to see it on your affiliate dashboard. For that, you can have a quick look on the quick status bar, and to have detailed report, you can again come to the left hand side menu bar, click on reports, click on performance. It will take you to this section. Over here, choose your traffic source. Within performance by choose either by date range, advertiser, or link type. I would say go with advertiser. Then choose your train advertiser. So in our case, go with automatic incorporated or WooCommerce, and then simply generate the report. When you do that, you would be able to see the summary here, the clicks, orders, sell amount, and commission, and of course the performance by advertiser. And if you want to see transaction level data, you can again come to reports, go to transaction details to see the transaction level data. And to see the available balance, that means all the accumulated commission, you can click on account balance, and over here you can choose your traffic source, click on view balance, and you would be able to see your available balance and the payment history here. Now, all the commission that has been accumulated in your Flex Offers account, you can expect to receive this commission based on the payment method you have set up. And to update your payment method, you can look at the top right hand side, and just beside your unique ID, you can click on this icon and click on payment settings. It will then take you to this page. Over here, you can complete the 2FA authentication using Google Authenticator app that you must have set up during the sign up process. Once you have successfully completed the 2FA, you will be taken to the first step here where you can update your address. Followed by that, you can click on next, and then it will take you to the payment method step. Over here, you will have four payment methods to choose from. If you go with local bank transfer or wire transfer, you have to update your banking details. But if you go with check, just update your normal details. And if you go with PayPal, you can select PayPal and update your PayPal email address followed by first name and last name, and then click on next. When you do that, it will take you to the step number 3 where you can follow the instruction, choose your tax form, and then mark it as next as well. Then it will take you to the done step where you will confirm. So this is how you can update your payment settings and expect to receive commission from Flex Offers for all the sales you're bringing to WooCommerce, aka Automatic Incorporated. Right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of WooCommerce. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helps you in learning all about the affiliate program of WooCommerce. Now, as an affiliate, if you want to grow in your affiliate marketing journey, I got some resources for you. There are free resources, of course, and then there are premium one. You would be able to find them in the video description. Go with any of those, go with the free one or the premium one. I'm sure it's going to help you out to become better affiliate down the line and, of course, earn better. So apart from it, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.